Hey, what's up, guys? This is AJ here,
With Ricochet.
and I'm making another video of Minecraft. This is part 2 of part 2.
Which he continued or finished part 2 of part 1 last time. And as you might think, this is the new one.
It is 1.3.1. Did I get it right?
Yes, 1.37.
Well, I can now trade the villagers for crap. Hey, you come here. Oh, yes, no, you suck. Who you are, man?
One of them will trade 20 wheat for 1 emerald.
Yeah. Let me see, what do you got?
They'll give you one emerald for 21 wool for a cloth.
That's just stupid. Well, in this episode, I'm gonna be doing some stuff.
Exploring caves.
Yeah. Oh yeah, in the last episode I said I would be exploring caves. Oh, we need it anyway. We're just overrated. We're overrated.
Alright. Where's the cave? I have no idea where it is.
It's down there.
Oh, is that it over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much in the last episode, if you guys saw the last episode, I went on a chicken killing spree. As you can see, I have 15,
chicken.
Cooked chicken, yeah. And, ooh, now that I think of it, we gotta go back, because I gotta make stone pits.
You're going the wrong way.
I know.
So what is it?
There you go. Okay. Sorry for the delay. Here. Just gotta go. Oh yeah, that's my unfinished house in the last episode.
Bet you forgot to build.
Started taking apart, and I'm a level 4. This is the new gravel texture pack.
It's not texture pack, it's just a new gravel texture.
Oh, the new gravel texture. Smart guy.
I saw it on the list.
Anyways, ooh, I got another achievement.
Getting an upgrade of nothing.
Yeah. Shut up. Oh, let's go mining.
For some iron and coal as well as stuff. Maybe find some diamond gold.
What will you trade?
1 emerald for 4 bread.
That's
What about
right.
that guy?
What do you want?
3 emeralds for a bookshelf. 15 wool for an emerald.
I'm gonna shave you when we get back. And you. I'm just gonna kill you.
That's why he died.
You got too scared.
That's that.
Wow.
Here's the cave that you found in the first episode.
No, that was
That was on the mod review.
Yeah. I just uploaded it. Oh.
You didn't want to do that.
This is not a good cave.
It's dead end. Oh, there's a hole in the ground.
Wow.
That's okay.
Oh yeah.
You get experience for mining.
Yeah. It only works with coal though.
No, it works with iron. No, it doesn't work with iron and gold, but it does work with diamonds and, I believe, emeralds.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Leveling up here.
With mining. Leveling up by mining. It's pretty convenient.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, not that there's a feature in multiplayer too.
Oh yeah. Well, if anybody joins, we'll just talk. And yeah. Yeah. Little bugger. Yeah. So, that was kind of a waste. Yeah.
Okay.
And also, in the first episode, it's just scaring me. Anyways, in the last episode, I believe it was, well, the first episode of this little adventure, you know how we blew up all first already? Well, I did rebuild that house, but,
it turns out that it go up there.
Yeah, it's made out of dirt. Yeah. Kind of vulnerable, but they're just lucky that I built it. That's
the birch stepping. And a chicken. gonna mine it up.
Wow,
Yeah, that's okay that you didn't bother entering at first.
I'm gonna make a stairway with dirt. That's how we do it. That's how we professionals do it. Get out here.
Oh, Is this fall?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that? What's up, a freaky staircase?
Really?
That's what it looks like. It looks like a freaky staircase.
I need to go deeper.
Alright, that's an achievement.
Yeah.
Build a portal to another den entrance.
We shall do that later.
When we get diamonds.
Yeah.
Most likely a whole lot of diamonds. Maybe some emeralds all at it.
Oh, wow, look, there's our first target.
Oh, that's nice. Those iron ore. Kind of may take a while, I think. I don't think you do get experience from mining iron.
Oh, wait, what's like off this place?
Oh,
Gotta be on my guard, though. Like, creepers.
Yeah, you don't get experience from mining.
Well, the good thing is that I just found a bunch of coal, and in the second episode, too. Part 2.
Part 2 of episode 2.
And if you can actually look at the clock, if you can see it, it is not actually, like, 1 in the morning. So, yeah.
You can grab it. You have a shovel? Yes, you do.
I made that earlier.
Get that dirt. This is fun. A lot of gravel. That's horrible. Oh, look, you got a piece of food.
If there's nothing in, like, this thing, I'm just gonna be kind of mad.
For what reason?
Because I really expected some diamonds. It doesn't look like there's really anything here, except that iron.
I believe diamond appears at, like, what, layer 40?
Yeah.
That's not really.
Wow. Some sort of a waste, though. I mean, there was really nothing in it. Is it getting dark now?
No, it is not. I think that's just a function.
Well, that was sort of a waste.
Yes, it was.
Okay.
What's not? Now, where's the village?
Over here.
There it is. Oh, that's the jungle. There it is.
I think later in this episode we may go looking for the temple. A new temple.
The jungles or the desert temples.
Yeah.
So you might want to be aware of the interest.
I know.
Alright.
But sometimes I am.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, don't agree with me.
You are reckless, though.
Shut up.
True.
Shut up.
Bop.
Shut up.
Bop.
Shut up. Really?
Yeah.
Those are mine. Anyways, let's go see what the blacksmith has.
It depends if we can find him. I don't know where he is.
Hey, fine sensor. Stupid. I should burn you.
It depends if he got some skill. What do you do with this steel? Yeah. Yeah, you're making steel with steel right now. How are you gonna get up there without getting hit? Look now.
Wow. Hey, what do you have to offer me? Wow, you villagers are stupid, but, I mean, I'm not trying to be mean, but you are just all stupid. Like, really?
That's actually how the trading system goes.
I mean, I know they're stupid, but I didn't know they were going to be that stupid.
No.
Oh, yeah, I think it's turning dark.
It is turning dark. To the sun setting?
No, because...
You're blind.
Oh!
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's get experience from smoking stuff.
Oh, wow.
Could
Oh,
be.
that's cool.
Go to
Oh,
sleep first before you go share some sheep.
yeah. I like that. Some other night I might go out and actually venture. And for you all you ladies, I might show you all the mobs. But tonight I can't, because I need to go get my breath.
Yeah, you can't crouch while sleeping either. Ah.
Yes, my name is Longfin.
I really don't know why.
I have to use my dad's account, that's all. And you should know that. You've been playing on this too.
No. Oh yeah, you can pick up graphic shears too.
I know. I just don't.
Prove it.
Let's see.
There he is.
There, dang. What do you got? 15 wolves or an emerald? I need an emerald.
You could use 15
Here,
wolves. You got 3 pieces of wool. Or 2 pieces of wool. Oh no, that was also 3.
Time for the hunt of sheep. The sheeping game.
The sheeping game?
Sort of like the Hunger Games.
I hate the Hunger Games.
It's actually a good movie.
The 3 books were more horrible than the movie and the show combined.
Hey, I have both. Well, I have one of the Hunger Games books. I haven't got around to reading it because I've been playing Minecraft to get used to stuff. Like the new version.
That's great.
No. Yes, it is. Wow, that felt kind of stupid.
You got any bone meal?
No, why?
Yeah.
Why?
You said I've shared little sheep.
With bone meal?
No, not bone meal. But, 3/4 of the wool. There you go. You might want to take some of those extra pieces of wool.
Wow.
That was convenient. Get some vines just for fun.
Nah.
Why not? You race the vines off?
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Why do I have 22 feathers?
You killed a ton of chickens.
Oh yeah, is this even on? Huh? Really, Jacob?
Yes.
I'll put it on.
I hate the snooper mode. But another feature.
I was about to put this on adventure mode, but...
I hate adventure mode. It's too hard.
Yeah, it is. He was down there, wasn't he?
Yep, yes, yes.
It's okay. I'm gonna punch him first.
Wrong one.
Wait. That's just stupid.
3 emeralds for a pair of shears.
What are you? You're stupid.
What about that guy?
Ah,
there
here
you
you
go.
are. Anyways. Just gotta beat on. Thank you, my good sir. What do you got next? Nothing. I hate you.
You gotta wait for a minute. Wait. There you go. And what is that? 10 gravel and an emerald?
Wow, you guys get stupid everything. I'll do it.
You could do some bread. Now you gotta eat it in front of his face.
Okay, what do you got next, Hobo? Wow,
Same
you're
thing.
just like that guy.
You're just like that guy. That's funny. There's too many naked sheep.
Sorry.
I think we should end this right now.
Why? What's the time?
It's going down. It's time red.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, well, wait. What? Well, we are going to end it here. See you guys later.